So here we have 35 hundredths plus 12. Now since we're adding with decimals, the most important thing is to make sure that we line up our decimal points. And here it's very clear to see the decimal point is here right before the 3. But in this number 12, where exactly is the decimal point? Well, because it's a whole number, anytime you have a whole number, the decimal point is always located to the right, at the end of it. So we can write it in here. And so now that we know where our decimal points are, we can start lining everything up. The first thing I like to do is take our first number and write it up top. 0, decimal point, 3, 5. Then I look at my next number, and what I like to do is I like to start by writing in that number's decimal point. So I'll write this decimal point here. To the left of the decimal point, I have the number 2. And to the left of that, I have 1. And if you have any empty spaces, the best thing to do is to put a 0 in there as a placeholder. So I'll write a 0 here, here, and up top over here. Now that every place value is filled and everything is lined up, I'll write my plus sign, underline everything, and then get to work. And just a reminder, the reason why we're lining up our decimal points, when we do this, what happens is, but our place values get lined up as well. So our hundredths place is lined up, our tenths place is lined up, our ones place is lined up, and our tens place is lined up. And so now we can start adding everything starting from the right. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 0 is 3. I'll bring down my decimal point. 0 plus 2 is 2. And 0 plus 1 is 1. Making our final answer 12 and 35 hundredths. More commonly read as 12.35.